Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add people from phone contacts on Instagram. So keep on watching and let's get started. First, open your Instagram. Then tap your profile. On the upper right corner, click the three lines and tap Discover People. As you can see here, you can connect your Facebook and your contacts. Just click Connect Contacts and tap Get Started. The accounts that are connected on your contacts will appear here. I don't have contacts, that's why no one appear here. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!